Ahoy cocktail lovers! I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor and this is the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel, and this is the place that we bring you great cocktails. We did a survey recently and people said they wanted to see more summer cocktails, tiki cocktails, boat drink cocktails. I guess we're tired and done with winter. Well, I've got one that you're going to enjoy. It's easy, it's simple to make, so grab a seat at the bar. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. If you really like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification, so you find all our cocktails and don't miss any of them. But for now, I feel like a day at the beach. So let's get pouring. We're going to make this cocktail in a shaker glass. Just a few simple ingredients, and some of these ingredients are really some of my favorites. We're going to start with orange juice in here, and we're going to put 4 full ounces in there. What pairs better with orange juice? But my next favorite, amaretto. Amaretto and orange juice, it's just one of those absolutely amazing pairings. And for that, we are going to put in there 1/2 ounce. The nutty, the sweet, that pairs perfectly with the orange juice in a couple of different cocktails. Well, the star of this show is actually going to be our coconut rum. That's what's going to bring us to the beach, and we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. Today I'm using the cruising rum, and 1.5 ounces goes in there. What I want to do now is we are going to ice it up, and we are going to chill it down. So let's grab our ice. And drop that in the shaker glass. And give this a good shake. We're going to chill it down. We're going to make sure that the side of that shaker is nice and condensed. I got my condensation. That tells me that it's cold. And now what I need to do is prepare my glass. So let's set that off to the side. For this, we're going to use a rocks glass. We're simply going to put some ice in there. We've got our ice in there. Now what we're going to do is strain. Beautiful golden color. We're going to leave a little bit of room on the top of that because what we're going to do is top that off with just a little bit of grenadine. Give it some color. We're going to float that on the top. And since it's heavier, it goes right to the bottom. All we need left to do is garnish this. And for that, what's the day at the beach without a beach umbrella? So we'll get some pineapple. We got a cherry. We got an umbrella. And let's see if I don't poke my eye out with this one. The orange juice and the amaretto are a beautiful pairing together. It's sweet, it's delicious, and then when you throw in there that taste of coconut in there, you feel like a tropical breeze coming off of the ocean. There's today's cocktail, a day at the beach. We'll see you at the next cocktail, everybody. Cheers.